Today we're going to fill the chainsaw oil on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. Firstly, unscrew the chainsaw oil cap located nearest to the chain and bar. You can additionally use the cap to check if there is any damage to the oil seal. Change if required. Then clip the cap back into position. Pour the chainsaw oil into the tank, making sure you do not overfill. Then place the cap back, tightening securely. Let's say you fill the chainsaw oil on a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.